Are you tired of feeling bloated, uncomfortable, and stuck in the bathroom for way too long? You're not alone. Over 63 million Americans struggle with digestive issues and constipation daily. But what if those rumbling, cramping feelings aren't just inconveniences, but warning signs your body is desperately trying to communicate? That uncomfortable fullness, the occasional sharp pain, days without a proper bowel movement. These aren't just minor annoyances. They're your digestive system crying out for help. Most people don't realize that poor digestion doesn't just cause physical discomfort. It's linked to low energy, mood swings, skin problems, and even weakened immunity. When waste sits in your system too long, toxins that should be eliminated get reabsorbed into your bloodstream, affecting your entire body. And here's what makes it worse. Many people reach for harsh laxatives that provide temporary relief, but damage your gut's natural rhythm over time. Your body becomes dependent on these artificial solutions, making the problem worse, not better. But there's good news. You can reclaim your digestive health naturally, without those harmful quick fixes. Let's explore 5 science-backed methods to improve your digestion and relieve constipation naturally. First, hydration is absolutely essential. When you're dehydrated, your body pulls water from wherever it can, including your colon. This makes stool harder and more difficult to pass. Aim for at least 8 to 10 glasses of water daily. Add a squeeze of lemon for extra digestive benefits. The natural acids help stimulate your digestive system. Second, incorporate more fiber-rich foods into your diet. Foods like leafy greens, chia seeds, flax seeds, and berries create bulk that helps waste move through your digestive tract. But here's a crucial tip many people miss. Increase fiber gradually. Adding too much too quickly can actually worsen bloating and gas. Third, establish a consistent bathroom routine. Your body loves rhythm. Try to visit the bathroom at the same time each day, preferably after a meal when your gastrocolic reflex is naturally stronger. And don't rush. Give your body the time it needs. Fourth, gentle movement is powerful medicine for constipation. Walking for just 15-20 minutes after meals can increase blood flow to your digestive organs and stimulate peristalsis, the wave-like muscle contractions that move food through your system. Fifth, manage your stress levels. The gut-brain connection is real. When you're stressed, your digestive system literally slows down. Deep breathing, meditation, or even a warm bath can activate your parasympathetic nervous system, often called rest and digest mode. These natural approaches work, but they take time and consistency. And sometimes, your digestive system needs additional support to restore proper function, especially if you've dealt with these issues for years. There's something that's been helping thousands of people naturally support their digestive health and relieve constipation without harsh chemicals. It's called Vivo Gut Pro, a specialized blend of natural ingredients designed to gently restore digestive balance. Unlike harsh laxatives that force your body into action, Vivo Gut Pro works with your natural processes, supporting the beneficial bacteria in your gut and helping to restore normal, healthy bowel function. You can learn more about it in the link in the description below or in the pinned comment. Remember, proper digestion isn't just about comfort, it's fundamental to your overall health and well-being. By staying hydrated, eating fiber-rich foods, establishing bathroom routines, getting gentle exercise, and managing stress, you're setting yourself up for digestive success. If you've tried these methods but still struggle with consistent relief, or if you're looking for a natural supplement to support your digestive health journey, click the first link in the description, or check the pinned comment to learn more about how Vivo Gut Pro might help restore your natural digestive rhythm. Your body deserves to function as nature intended, comfortably, regularly, and efficiently.